Who's coming by today?
Alright, so we have a customer coming by for an assessment. He wants to have his front bumper wrapped. I think he drives a R34 GTR, so we're just gonna talk to him, kind of get a gauge of what he's looking to get out of the service. Check out his car, because you know, who doesn't like seeing an R34 GTR? After the assessment, we're gonna try and install the Varis parts on the Type R. We were originally gonna install the KW Club Sports on the NSX with Andrew, but his family actually planned a surprise birthday party, so we had to reschedule that. Happy birthday, Andrew. You know, you're always looking after other people, always, you know, helping people out with their builds. So whenever it's day for yourself, 100% support it, man. So happy birthday to Mr. Wadwani. He just pulled up, so we're gonna do an assessment. And during these assessments, we try to really ask the customer as many questions, get them to communicate, and we can educate them on options and all that, just so that we can cater our services to their needs and exactly what they want.
I can pop the hood after if you want.
Hey, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
What's your name, sir?
Victor.
Victor? Good to meet you, I'm Alan.
Nice to meet you.
We generally use STEK, STEK.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just because it has like the nicest gloss.
Okay, well, thank you very much to both of you.
Thank you for stopping by.
Yeah, no problem.
Lovely car, man.
Thank you. Talk to you soon. Take it
See ya.
easy.
Yo, so we just finished up with the R34 assessment. Victor Lee, sweet guy, sweeter car. No, they're both pretty sweet. But yeah, me and now are about to get into some installing. We're about to put the Varis hood on his FK8. And then we're probably gonna wash the NSX because there's a meet happening tonight around 6 p.m. It's, what is it, 70s, 80s, 90s cars?
Yeah, 70s, 80s, and 90s.
Nice.
Let's consult YouTube. We'll start off with the hood first. It should be pretty straightforward.
Yeah, aren't you glad YouTube exists, yo? YouTube is the best.
Breaking clips is not the best.
Damn, B.
So Roger just left. It was really nice to see him. It's been a while since we've kind of hung out. But we're gonna decide after test fitting the bumper on. There are some modifications to make it sit tighter. So we're gonna hold off on that for now. And since we have a track day coming up on Wednesday, I do want a little bit more experience of this car on the track before I put the full Varis bumper on, and the OEM bumper has PPF on it too, so it just makes more sense for us to just leave the OEM bumper. We're gonna put the Varis hood on, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for today.
What do you think, man? It's on there now. You got a good idea of how it looks?
Yeah, you know what? When you look at the Type R, even the stock hood, it has an intake scoop, the hood scoop right in the middle. So I'm just so used to seeing it with a hood scoop. So now that it's not there, it looks f***ing weird. But I'm gonna give it some time to see how I like the adjustment. We're gonna polish this. The clear coat has a little bit of a hazing to it. I don't know if that's gonna go away. We'll see. But yeah, it's gonna take some time.
So with the hood on the car and the OEM bumper back in place, Nau and I are ready to hit up the track coming Wednesday.